Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of motherboards with a review of the colorful CVN B760I Frozen Wi-Fi D5 V20. Let's see if this mini ITX motherboard is worth your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's kick things off with the design and aesthetics of the colorful CVN B760I Frozen. This motherboard sports a unique tri-tone color scheme of white, black, and silver, giving it a distinctive appearance that's sure to stand out in any build.
The semi-gloss, multi-layer PCB adds a touch of sophistication, while the military-like branding adds to its overall aesthetic. But looks aren't everything, right? Thankfully, this motherboard doesn't just rely on its good looks.
Under the hood, it's equipped with some serious power delivery and storage options.
Speaking of power delivery, the colorful CVN B760I Frozen features an 8-phase power design with 7 powerful 110 ASPS MOSFETs dedicated to V-Core. While the total 770A might not seem like much, it's more than capable of handling flagship-class processors like the Intel 14th Gen chips.
Now, let's talk about the BIOS.
While it may not have the flashiest interface compared to other motherboards, it's functional and easy to navigate.
You'll find plenty of options to tweak your system, including memory voltages and timings,
making it a solid choice for enthusiasts looking to squeeze out every last drop of performance.
But what about connectivity? Well, the colorful CVN B760I Frozen doesn't disappoint in that department either. With 2 M.2 sockets, 4 SATA ports, and a variety of USB ports on the rear I/O, you'll have plenty of options for expanding your system. However, it's worth noting that this motherboard does have a slightly limited number of rear USB ports, with only 7 in total. But if you can live with that, the colorful CVN B760I Frozen offers a well-rounded solution in the mini ITX market. So, what's the final verdict? Well, if you're in the market for a mini ITX motherboard with unique aesthetics, capable power delivery, and ample storage options,
the colorful CVN B760I Frozen Wi-Fi D5 V20 is definitely worth considering.
And that wraps up our review of the colorful CVN B760I Frozen Wi-Fi D5 V20 motherboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building!